Hey guys, in this video we will discuss about, is it possible to reduce trade with China? Can you think, is it possible? Well, the clashes between India and China border are going on in Galwan Valley, which is situated in Ladakh. And from that time, boycott China movement is trending on social media. But the ground reality is something else. Still, the smartphone giants like OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, the sales of these brands are increasing day by day. Because we don't have any alternative of Chinese phones. Because we don't manufacture any smartphone in India. That's why we have to import smartphones from China. We are still dependent on China very much. Let me give you the example, whether it is a automobile industry or a pharmaceutical industry. In automobile industry, still the car components, raw materials and even tires are being imported from China. Because Chinese manufacturers sold those tires at cheaper rates. But the government has now restricted the import of tires from China to boost domestic manufacturing of tires in India. But big giants like Maruti Suzuki and Bajaj are against the government step. Because Chinese manufacturers sell those tires at cheaper prices as compared to the US or European countries. If our giants will not purchase tires from Chinese manufacturers, then they will have to go for US or European countries, which will be very costlier for these giants also and for the local people also. Because the cost of automobile will be very costlier, which will impact the sales of automobile. And also in the pharmaceutical industry, India has a huge pharmaceutical industry. According to the data of 2019 to 2020, India has exported the medicines around 80%. But still the main and foremost ingredient of each and every medicine, which is API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, we are still dependent on China for this raw material, or we can say the raw ingredient. Let me give you an example. Suppose if there is any financially disabled person, he gets a work. He earns rupees 12 to 13,000, which is his monthly income. And by passing through very tough circumstances, he saves rupees 12,000. So in those rupees 12,000, he will only be able to purchase a Chinese smartphone, which is very cheaper and very cost effective. We can't expect from him that, because border clashes are going between India and China, so he should purchase a smartphone brand like Samsung by spending a sum of 6,000 rupees more. But at least the crowd which can afford can go towards the non-Chinese smartphone brands like Motorola, Samsung, Apple. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share your opinion in the comment box given below.